Where does your family live? Where does your family live? My family lives in a city. My family lives in a city. How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people. There are 5 people. How many brothers or sisters have you got? How many brothers or sisters have you got? I have got one brother and one sister. I have got one brother and one sister. How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? I have 6 friends. I have 6 friends. How old is your brother? How old is your brother? He is 12 years old. He is 12 years old. Who is the youngest in your family? Who is the youngest in your family? The youngest in my family is me. The youngest in my family is me. What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name? Her name is Lucy. Her name is Lucy. Are your friends boys or girls? Are your friends boys or girls? They are boys. They are boys. What do you like doing with your family? What do you like doing with your family? I like swimming with my family. I like swimming with my family. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Peter. My best friend is Peter. Where is Peter's house? Where is Peter's house? It's close to my house. It's close to my house. What do you do with your best friend? What do you do with your best friend? We usually do homework together. We usually do homework together. Where do you play with your friends? Where do you play with your friends? I play with my friends at my house. I play with my friends at my house. Where do you play with your friends at weekends? Where do you play with your friends at weekends? I play with my friends at the playground at weekends. I play with my friends at the playground at weekends. What do you do with your friends at weekends? What do you do with your friends at weekends? We go shopping at weekends. We go shopping at weekends. Tell me more about your best friend. Tell me more about your best friend. Her name's Daisy. She's 10 years old. She's very friendly. Tell me more about your family. Tell me more about your family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my sister and me. I play with my sister. I help my mom cook dinner. We usually watch TV in the living room. Tell me more about your friends. Tell me more about your friends. I have 3 friends. They like playing basketball. They go fishing every Sunday. My best friend is Vicky.